Yellow duck. A duck cow? You put a duck in front, you put a cow behind. Put them together.
Hello.
You put a cow behind.
You gonna go dance? Go do some dancing.
Do you find a duck cow?
He's dancing.
That's silly.
Here, let's do Farmer Tad. You wanna do Farmer Tad's song? You do some dancing?